I'm Anna and I'm showing you how to make a pink bridal bouquet today. I've got all the pinks and it's October here in the gardens. Been really inspired by these dahlias. These two, they've got really complex pinks through to maroons, almost yellow. And they work really nicely, I think, with the chrysanthemums and cosmos. So it's going to be tonal. And I'm going to get started. Where they're a bit old, because I'm really using these dahlias right at the end of their life, because I love them when they go a bit mad in the middle and you get all those colours, but at the back they look a bit moth-eaten. So I'm going to pull the petals out, which will also reduce the size of the flower, which makes it easier to get into the bouquet. So I'm using, I think I've got 3 different types of dahlias and I'm trying to get a nice pleasing balance from them here. I've got them at different heights, they're facing in different directions, so I'm trying to get a balance. And then I'm going to work in with my smaller flowers. I love that one, look at the colours on it. It's really, I really love those yellows to pinks, and actually the sort of mottled petals with the pollen's very pretty, sort of pushing at the edges of autumn to almost decay. I'm going to bring bits of these cosmos in now. Right, I've got this beautiful achillea that I'm going to pull right into the bouquet. Start building some depth into the bouquet so there aren't the gaps of light. And you can see I'm really taking the tones as far as they can almost go, from the yellows to the pinks. We've got the really warm oranges there. Going to use some of this salvia, which is almost going on to orange, and then we've got a more bluey pink of the cosmos. I think, I wasn't sure about adding this orange, but I think actually it's going to really sort of elevate it. It sort of just makes it a bit more sophisticated, I think, to take the orange with the dark pink. Or it's more like a burnt ember. I don't think it's legal to make a bouquet without panicum at this time of year. It's almost like a little, you know, like those netted veils that you have over your face. It's like that. It sort of adds this really kind of pretty glisten to all the flowers. So I'm going to tie this up now. I've opened it up a little. I think that looks much better. And I'm going to tie it first with the twine, loop the string through the middle with that hole, pull it tight. I can adjust it, and then I'm going to take it all the way round, and now it's tight. Lovely movement from the salvias and the cosmos. Right, so I'm going to cut off the bottom. I'm going to put my ribbon round. Right, and there's my autumn pink inspired dahlia and chrysanthemum bridal bouquet.